Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up payment on your big cartel store. So let's get right into it. Now, depending on the region you are currently located in and the region the store is set up for, you're going to have differing methods of payment. In my case, I have the payment option of PayPal, and that's pretty much the only one I have. There is Stripe as an option as well. However, it's disabled in my region, so I can't really use it. But pretty much what you need to do to set up your payment is go into account. Once you log into your dashboard, go into account in the top right, then scroll all the way down until you get to the get paid section. Here you need to click here to set up your payment options. And as you can see, I have Stripe and PayPal as options, but Stripe isn't available. Now, in the case of PayPal, you just need to click here to connect to PayPal. It's going to open up a pop-up window, and once that performs a security check, you'll be able to enter all your PayPal account information, and once that's done, you will be able to set up your payment. Let me just do the captcha real quick. This is sort of tedious, but I've done this a couple of times, so it's asking me to confirm that I'm not a bot due to increased traffic. And as you can see here, it'll accept payments from Big Cartel LLC. Just enter your email and your country and region and add any other information that it might need. And once you're done with that, and once it verifies and confirms everything, you're pretty much good to go. And that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.